All right, so you pressed your pleats. Now your pleats should be straight. I'm curving mine because I'm experimenting a little bit. Yours should be nice and straight. I'm just curving mine as I'm experimenting a little bit here. So you gave it a good press. You're going to turn your fabric over, and you're going to take the bottom raw edge and you're going to tuck it in into the bottom pleat. So this is step 3 of your visual guide. So what you want to do is you want to remove the bottom pins. You're going to tuck this in your bottom pleat. So if you have 4 pleats, this will be further down, but using 3, you're just going to tuck it in. Okay. And I'm going to press that. Pressing is very important. So again, I take the bottom, I turned it around, take the bottom edge and tuck it into that bottom pleat. Okay. Also what I'm doing is I'm going to go to the top edge and I'm going to fold down 1/4 of an inch. Okay. So measure along, have your, if you need it, and measure 1/4 of an inch. And then you're just going to fold over. And you're going to press. So again, take the bottom edge, flip it, tuck it under the bottom pleat, and take the top raw edge and fold it down 1/4 of an inch. Okay? So now, the next step is optional, but more and more tutorials are showing up using this. So some people will use a pipe cleaner, others a twist tie, and why they recommend this is it helps it shape better around your nose, the mask, so it fits a little bit more snug and not loose. So what you want to do is you want to find the halfway point. And since it's an 8.5 inch square, then you would do 4 1/4. So 4 inches and 1/4 is the halfway point. And you would center this twist tie or pipe cleaner, those thin little pipe cleaners. I've seen several tutorials using pipe cleaner is fine. And what you're going to do is you're going to tack this right in the middle. So I'm just going to take some needle and thread, and I'm going to just tack this on. Okay. And I'll use red thread so you can see it. So this involves hand sewing like we've covered before. You're going to double thread and you're going to knot. Okay, so you're going to knot, and you're going to go ahead and center this and center of the fold, and we're going to go ahead and tack it by hand.